Select Star is an automated data discovery and governance tool that automatically analyzes and documents your existing data platforms by processing metadata. We'll provide a single place to search through all of your connected data sources, so regardless of where that data lives, you'll be able to find it. We also index everything based on the popularity of your data, so you can find the most relevant data sets quickly. You can filter down by data source or by data type, or you can even search through standalone SelectStar documentation. We also have an integrated AI agent that understands your data model and can answer Q&A questions like where to find types of data, and it can even build queries for you. This gives you a easy place to go when you have a data question, regardless of your data knowledge. If you're looking for a query or just trying to find data, SelectStar's AI can help. When you pull up a data set, you'll be able to see immediate context about that data. This includes column names and descriptions, which can be auto-generated with AI or propagated based on your lineage to help automatically fill in gaps in your documentation. We'll also automatically generate lineage for you cross-platform so you can see where data starts and where it goes downstream. Our lineage graph has robust functionality that allows you to expand the entire graph at once to see everything down into your BI tools, as well as drill down into lineage and see how data is being propagated, whether it's being aggregated, propagated as is, used as a filter, or transformed. You can also filter your lineage based on these capabilities. We also provide other insights like how often a table was refreshed, as well as ownership, so you can establish governance of your key data assets. Owners will be automatically notified about any changes to your metadata, whether it's documentation or the structure of the table itself. We'll also propagate data quality alerts from providers like Monte Carlo or DBT Test to show you if there are any alerts on an existing table or on the upstream data sources. This provides all of the context of your data in a single place. We can also automatically generate ERDs by inferring these relationships from your query logs. This means that even if you don't have primary and foreign keys, you'll automatically be able to provide your teams with an entity relationship diagram so that they have a metadata map for how to use their data. On top of all of this, we overlay robust curation capabilities like creating collections for your different teams, as well as tagging, which allows you to provide more insight into the context of your data. We integrate with the majority of the modern data stack and serve a variety of use cases like data discovery, self-service analytics, data governance, and cost optimization. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd be more than happy to connect and talk about your data discovery needs.